Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor channel. Today I'm going to show you a hands-on demo on AWS organizations. We'll restrict Lambda function creation using service control policy. So I'm going to demonstrate how you can use service control policy to restrict certain actions on other AWS accounts that are linked with your organization. So let's quickly log into the AWS account and I'll walk you through the process. So here I'm logged into my AWS console and I'm in the AWS organization dashboard. I will first show you the accounts that I have in my organization. So this is my root account wherein I have development and production accounts. So what I want to do is I want to restrict Lambda function creation activity in my development account. Okay, this is just an example. So currently let's look at the development account and see uh, what policies does it have. So here uh, the applied policies are service control policy and tag policies. Okay, so service control policies applied are AWS full access. Okay, it allows every operation to my development account. But recently a request came in wherein there needs to be Lambda function creation activity needs to be restricted. So let's quickly go in the policies section. Okay, under service control policies, it is enabled but in my account, but if it is not enabled, then you can enable it over here. You will get the enable service control policy button. Okay, I will create a new policy. Let's name it as lambda function restrict. Okay, it right now you will get this policy editor wherein you can manually type in your policy, or else you can you know you can define the actions from the right hand side option. So what all action I want to restrict? So what services basically? It's basically Lambda. Okay. So for Lambda, what all action I want to restrict? So create, want to restrict the create function, right? And I will click on the resource. So I want it for all the resources, add resource. What condition do I want to apply? So so let's say if I want to restrict this for a particular region, okay, then you can select a condition, or else you can leave it as it is. But let's say if I want to restrict the function creation for my development account for Asia Pacific, for Mumbai, okay. So I'll choose the qualifier as default. You will get the different options over here. Next is the operator. So bring like and I will type in AP South 1. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna deny. The policy looks like this at the end. Okay, so it's gonna deny Lambda creation for all the resources in AP South 1, which is the Mumbai one, Mumbai region. Okay, AP South 1, right? So now let's give it a try. Let's create this policy first, and we're gonna attach this restrict Lambda function creation policy. So select this policy and under actions you will get attach policy option. Click on the development account and click on attach policy. So here the policy is successfully attached. Now let's log in to the development account and see if it works. So here I'm logged into my development account, which is Cloud Perceptor. Okay, and let me create a function now in Mumbai AP South 1. Let me see if my policy is working. So I will name it as a test function. I'm gonna delete it afterwards. Click on create function. As you can see, the error right ARN root. So root for this account is not authorized to perform Lambda create function on resource, which is explicitly denied in service control policy. Now let's try to create this Lambda function in a different region. Okay, let's say I want to create in Ireland. So here, as per the expected behavior, it should work. Okay, so we're gonna try it. Click on create function now. Okay, so it should work now. Let's see. It is evaluating policy, and here we go. It has successfully created the function. That means our policy is working absolutely fine. So this is how you can restrict, you know, actions, resource creation on your organization, on your OU accounts. So that's it. Do mention any of the comments you have. Also, do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.